Hello, I'm John from FitKit. If you've just received a fit stick, I want to show you how to unpack it and put it together for initial use. So once the wrapping material and bubble wrap is off it, essentially there's going to be a loose part here. There's a piece already attached. There may, depending on the option that you bought, may or may not have a digital level. And there's going to be a pin just held in place with a little bit of tape. So we want to get that tape off that pin, and that comes out. So one of the things we can do is take this, turn the level up, take the pin and slide it down through these holes here. So this can move along the level like that, and if we want to get it out of the way, we can just squeeze it together and pop it out of the level as well, and we can reverse that to put it back in place. So it's just a press fit in there. This piece here is part of measuring the saddle height, and it's got some guides here that will mesh into the level. Down at this end, we want to make sure this piece is out of the way. With this piece here, we need to attach it to the top of the level, and the way we do that is by sliding it in on the end. And there's a couple of little slots to get lined up on the level. Can take a little bit of fiddling the first time around to get that in place. And there it is. So this will slide along the level and come past the other tool. So that can be removed, same way, sliding it off either end if it's in the way. This can be removed by squeezing it together, and the digital level, if you have that option, can also be removed and put back in place. And that happens just by pinching together and slightly flexing the level, and it will pop out of place, and we can set it back in as well. There we have it, ready for action. A little bit more. So down on this bottom end here, we've got a pin used for locating in the bottom bracket, and to get that set properly, that needs pulling back into place. To use the prong for pedal spindle seat height, that pushes forward and slides down. So in and slide in, or push out and move back. If this is too loose, we can adjust the tension by tightening or loosening the screw by usually just a quarter a turn. So if that's just hanging too freely, we can tighten that up. If it's too stiff, we can loosen that screw.